The Lord be with you. Good everyone. Today is Monday, October 20, and our gospel will be coming from St. Luke chapter 12, verses 13 to 21. It is all about the parable of the man who had a good harvest. And he told himself, I will build a bigger barn so that I can rest, drink, and enjoy the rest of my life. However, the Lord told him, you fool, because tonight your life will be taken away from you. Who then shall make use of your harvest? My dear friends, we all deserve some form of security in life, isn't it? We work hard, we give our all, and definitely we all deserve a good rest, and we all deserve a better future. And that's the very reason why we are working so hard. But the Lord is not against all of those. The Lord is just simply reminding us all that while we are thinking of material security, let us also be careful of having our savings in terms of our life after death. Because if our concern is only about accumulating material wealth, but our soul is so poor, what good is that? Everything here on earth will pass away. And then, if we are not secure of the future, of the spiritual things, then we will still be the poorest of all. And what was wrong about the man who was saving? It's all about greed. If we are too greedy and we don't want to share, then that's the start of the problem. Always remember, if you have more than enough of what you actually need, then you are obliged to share. I always say this, you are blessed so that you can be a blessing for others. Greediness is about depriving others of the blessings that could have been theirs. Accumulate only things that is enough to make us live a better life, but not to the point of depriving others of the blessings that should also come to them. God bless.